Do you know what are life skills? Well, any skill or set of activities that makes you a competent person. Some examples of the essential life skills that makes life simple are swimming, driving a car, and using a computer. Learning to drive means different things to different people. Driving means independence for women and college students who want to live their life on their own terms. For executives, productivity increases when they travel in comfort. Driving also means employment for people who want to offer their driving services to make a living. Imagine the refreshing air that blows through your hair and your family enjoying a beautiful song and humming to it. These are joys of life. Imagine bringing home your child for the first time in your car. Can you experience anything better? Imagine your ride with your college friends and your friends appreciating your driving skills. What a proud moment that would be. All these small and precious moments add to our joy of driving. It is an essential skill and fun too. Now let's play a small game. Please identify yourself. Excellent! If you identify yourself as one among them, you have come to the right place. We at Maruti Suzuki Driving School teach safe and responsible driving. We ensure that you are taught with love and care through our scientifically designed curriculum and trained professionals. We will ensure that you are in safe hands. Anybody can teach you to drive, but the quality of training provided by a professional driving trainer cannot be compared. Learning to drive builds your confidence, whether to drive your child to school or to be ready for any emergency situation. Driving is an easy skill to learn, though it needs practice. We need better drivers to make our roads safe. Now let's talk about how Maruti Suzuki Driving School can assist you. Impact of driving on housewives has direct relation to their freedom and security to travel anywhere, anytime. For young executive, learning to drive has a direct impact on their professional productivity. For a driver, it means economic independence. For college students, learning to drive means freedom as they don't have to depend on anybody to travel. The comprehensive learning experience from a professional driving school will make you a driver equipped not only to drive but to face unexpected situations on the road. This reduces the risk of accidents and prepares you to help people in unfortunate events while driving as well. We at Maruti Suzuki Driving School teach safe and responsible driving. So why wait? We are just a phone call away.